get a drum as a toy for Christmas.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I want to say a very big thank you to all my new subscribers. I see you guys and I appreciate you so much. Thank you also to my old subscribers that constantly stay and support me, watch my videos, comment and share my videos. Thank you guys so much. Kisses. Mwah, mwah, mwah. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys my quick jollof rice recipe. So I wanted today's video to be really short and sweet and straight to the point. Therefore, I already cut my onions, my ginger and my garlic behind the scenes, and also my spring onions. So I'm going to start today by frying my onions and my ginger and garlic, and then also add the spring onions. So you're watching my video right now, and this is my second video that you're watching, or my third video that you're watching. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I promise you actually love my content, you just don't know it yet. Guys, just hit the subscribe button if you aren't subscribed to my channel yet, and I promise you enjoy my videos, and trust me, it is free. Just hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and hit it right now. Next, I'm going to pour in my tomato and peppers puree. It's an equal part of tomato and red bell peppers, and just a little bit of habanero peppers. I had previously boiled the tomato and pepper mix, and then I went ahead to blend them. Guys, please note that putting coconut milk in your jollof rice is quite optional. It's just something I like to do because I like the flavor it adds to the jollof rice. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. I told you this was going to be quick and easy, and it is very tasty. I'm garnishing my jollof rice with some fried fish, some plantains, and some carrots, and of course some shrimps from inside the rice. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy the video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and also share this video with your friends. See you in my next video, and take care, guys. Bye.